A YouTube channel can spend months looking busy while quietly moving in the wrong direction. But some of the damage is happening before YouTube ever has a chance to help you. Not every bad result means your channel is being punished. YouTube says its recommendation system is built around matching viewers with videos they are likely to watch and enjoy. It looks at appeal, engagement, and satisfaction. Here are 8 mistakes that can quietly destroy a channel's growth. Mistake number 1, making videos for yourself instead of a specific viewer. Liking a topic is not the same as having an audience for it. A creator thinks, I want to talk about phones. The viewer is thinking, why does my phone battery die before the end of the day? One is a subject, the other is a problem. Before making a video, identify the person you are trying to help, what they want, what they already know, and what problem they are trying to solve. Then build a video around that. If your channel constantly answers questions nobody is asking, better editing will not rescue it. Mistake number 2, using a title and thumbnail that promise more than the video delivers. This is one of the easiest ways to get a click and lose trust. Imagine your thumbnail suggests that a simple setting will double your views. The viewer clicks. 30 seconds later, they discover the secret is simply to make better content. That is not curiosity, that is a broken promise. YouTube's policies prohibit misleading metadata and thumbnails. Your thumbnail should create a question, your title should clarify the promise, your opening should confirm that promise, and the video should actually resolve it. Maximum curiosity is useful only when the viewer receives what the packaging legitimately promised. Mistake number 3, wasting the first 30 seconds. Long greetings, unnecessary introductions, channel history, logos, and vague statements about what the video will eventually discuss all consume the most expensive part of your video, the moment immediately after the viewer arrives. Start inside the problem, show the consequence, give the viewer a reason to care, then begin delivering the promised value. If your video is about 8 mistakes, the viewer should understand very quickly what makes those mistakes dangerous. Make the opening useful. Retention is not something you demand from viewers, it is something the video earns. Mistake number 4, treating views as the only measurement that matters. A video with 100,000 views is not automatically more strategically valuable than a video with 10,000. Did the right people click? Did they stay? Were they satisfied? Did they continue watching? Did the topic attract people who actually care about the rest of your channel? YouTube says recommendation performance can be understood through appeal, engagement, and satisfaction. That means your analytics should be used diagnostically. If impressions are strong but people rarely click, investigate the packaging. If people click but leave early, investigate the opening and the match between the promise and the delivery. If viewers enjoy one video but have no reason to watch anything else you make, investigate the connection between that video and your channel. Diagnose the behavior behind the number. Mistake number 5, believing that one bad video killed your channel. You upload a video, it underperforms. You panic, you delete everything. You change your niche, you start copying another creator. You conclude that YouTube has permanently suppressed your channel. But YouTube explicitly says an individual video's underperformance does not penalize a channel overall. So investigate the specific audience response instead of inventing a hidden punishment. A weak video is data. Treat it as data. Ask what viewers did, what they ignored, and what was different from your stronger uploads. The worst response to a bad result is emotional strategy. Mistake number 6, confusing variety with randomness. You do not have to make exactly the same type of video forever. YouTube says experimenting with different formats does not inherently confuse the recommendation system. Each piece of content is evaluated based on how viewers respond to it. But your audience still needs a reason to recognize your channel. If Monday is smartphone tutorials, Wednesday is celebrity gossip, Friday is football predictions, and Sunday is motivational speeches, you may be giving yourself freedom while giving the audience no clear expectation. Your subjects can evolve, your formats can evolve. But there should be some recognizable reason why the same viewer might want your next video. Think consistency of audience value, not mechanical repetition. Mistake number 7. Mass-producing content that feels interchangeable. Using AI tools, templates, stock footage, automation, or reusable editing systems is not automatically a problem. The problem is when the final content becomes repetitive, generic, or mass-produced with little original value. YouTube's current monetization policy says monetized content should be original and authentic, and it specifically identifies repetitive or mass-produced material as ineligible for monetization. So if your process produces 20 videos that look like one video with 20 different titles, you have an obvious weakness. Add original research, add testing, add examples, add analysis, add a perspective that changes how the viewer understands the subject. Automation should increase your leverage. It should not erase your contribution. Mistake number 8. Copying successful creators without understanding why they succeeded. You see a creator get millions of views. You copy the title structure, then the thumbnail, then the topic, then the pacing. Your video still fails because you copied the surface. Maybe the original succeeded because it solved a painful problem. Maybe it arrived at exactly the right moment. Maybe the creator had authority. Maybe the story contained a surprising discovery. Maybe the packaging created a powerful but honest information gap. The useful thing to study is the mechanism. Ask, why did the viewer care? Then transfer that principle into your own subject. Do not build a weaker replica of somebody else's channel. Build your own answer to the same underlying demand. And there is one final trap sitting underneath all 8 mistakes. Thinking the algorithm is your enemy. It is not. YouTube's recommendation system is trying to predict what each viewer is likely to watch and enjoy. Its goal includes long-term viewer satisfaction. That does not make YouTube easy. Competition is real. Some topics have much larger audiences than others. Viewer interests change. Good videos can still underperform, but obsessing over secret algorithm tricks distracts you from the variables you can actually control. Your idea, your audience fit, your packaging, your opening, your explanation, your originality, your viewer experience, and your willingness to learn. So before your next upload, run one uncomfortable test. Pretend you've never heard of your own channel. Look at the thumbnail, read the title, watch the first 30 seconds, then ask, did this video give me a compelling reason to click? Did the opening immediately confirm my expectation? Did I learn something worth knowing? Did I want to keep going? And after watching, do I have a reason to trust this creator with another 8 minutes? If the answer is no, don't blame the algorithm yet. Fix the underlying problem, because the biggest YouTube mistake is not getting one video wrong once, it's getting the same thing wrong repeatedly and calling it consistency. Build for the viewer first, use analytics to learn, use tools to move faster, and make every upload give a stranger a reason to choose you again.